Start.
Children of Standard 6, from the previous few classes, I have been discussing the components of food. I discussed the nutrients of food, their sources and function. I discussed the balanced diet, water and roughage. I had begun to discuss deficiency diseases. I have already discussed Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Now we come to the discussion of vitamin deficiency diseases. Deficiency of various vitamins in the human diet gives rise to a number of diseases or disorders. Some of the vitamin deficiency diseases are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, and rickets. We will now discuss the diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins. So, in our earlier classes, we saw the vitamins, their sources and their function and their role in human physiology. Now, we will discuss deficiency diseases of vitamins. First, we take example of vitamin A, that's chemical name is retinol and carotenoids. Its deficiency causes night blindness, and the symptoms of night blindness are loss of vision, inability to see in poor light. So deficiency of vitamin A weakens our vision in dim light. Due to this, a person having deficiency of vitamin A cannot see properly in dim light. The inability of a person to see properly in dim light is called night blindness. Thus, the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet causes a disease known as night blindness. Severe deficiency of vitamin A over a long period of time can lead to total blindness, and the person who is suffering from night blindness can be supplemented with ripe yellow fruit to cure the disease. Now, vitamin B1. Its chemical name is thiamine, and the disease caused by its deficiency is called beriberi, and the symptoms are weak muscles, digestion problem, and heart problem. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes a disease called beriberi. The symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency can be the muscles of the person become very weak, and he or she has very little energy to do work. The person may suffer heart failure or become paralyzed and then die. And the supplement diet of vitamin for the person who suffers from beriberi can be brown rice and eggs. Now, vitamin B2, that is also called riboflavin, and its deficiency causes skin diseases, and the symptoms for the lack of vitamin B2 in the diet are swelling in throat and tongue, cracked skin and lips, and its supplement and the diet for the cure of vitamin deficiency of vitamin B2 can be dairy products. Now, vitamin B3, that is also called niacin, its deficiency causes pellagra, and the deficiency affects the skin, digestive and nervous system, and the diet that should be provided to the person who suffers from the lack of vitamin B3, niacin. The suggested diet is fish and egg. Vitamin B6, that is also called pyridoxine, that causes seborrheic dermatitis. Its symptoms are white patches on skin rashes, mood changes, weakened immune system. And vitamin B12, that is called cyanocobalamin, that causes anemia. Its symptoms are low red blood cells, makes the skin look pale, lack of energy, shortness of breath, and loss of appetite. The person who suffers from anemia, lack of vitamin B12 in their diet, can be supplemented with meat and fish. Vitamin B7, that is also called biotin, it causes dermatitis, enteritis. Vitamin B9, that is also called folic acid, it can cause anemia. And B5, that is pantothenic acid, it causes nausea and heartburn. Now, after discussion of vitamin B complex group and its deficiency and the causes that causes the vitamin B complex deficiency causes various kinds of diseases we discussed, and the symptoms we discussed, and the diet by which we can cure the person we discussed. Now we come to ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, and its deficiency causes scurvy. So deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. The symptoms of vitamin C deficiency are bleeding from the gums, loosening of teeth, and wounds do not heal easily. So fruits and vegetables are the supplement diet for the disease scurvy, and all the citrus fruit can supplement vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin D, that is cholecalciferol, its deficiency causes rickets and osteomalacia. Osteo means bone. So rickets, its deficiency causes rickets and osteomalacia, and the symptoms are bow legs, pigeon type chest. So vitamin D, the deficiency of vitamin D in the diet of small children causes a disease that is called rickets. A child suffering from rickets has bow legs and pigeon type chest. Actually, vitamin D helps in absorbing calcium mineral in the body, which makes the bones strong. When there is deficiency of vitamin D, then the bones of the child remain soft due to inadequate absorption of calcium from the food. These soft bones bend easily under the child's own body weight. In addition to the weak bones, the deficiency of vitamin D also leads to poor teeth formation. So, mushroom and eggs are the supplement diet for the person who suffers from lack of vitamin D in their diet. Now, vitamin E, that is also called tocopherols, its deficiency causes anemia in newborn, and it can lead to heart failure, and the supplement diet are seed oil and nuts. Last is vitamin K, that is called phylloquinone. Its deficiency causes bleeding diathesis, and the symptoms are decreased anticoagulation, means blood clotting is difficult for the person who suffers from the deficiency of vitamin K in their diet. So the coagulation of blood should be very fast for the person who does not suffer from the vitamin K, because vitamin K is necessary for the coagulation of the blood, and it's the diet for the person who suffers from the lack of vitamin K in their diet are leafy green vegetables, egg and yolk. So this is all about the deficiency, the vitamin deficiency diseases and their symptoms, and the diet suggested for the person who suffers from the vitamin deficiency diseases.